Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And yes, I know you must be surprised at seeing this spread, but I started doing your love bite, and halfway through I realized the mic was not on. So I'm not going to disrupt this. I'm going to just re-begin the entire process with the same cards here. And let me start by saying thank you to all my subscribers for being here. Thank you for all your kind support. And if you're new here, if you enjoy the reading, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. Welcome. And yes, and these are general collective readings. Pisces will not resonate with all of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So when I started doing the reading, Pisces, the first card under my spread was the High Priestess in reverse. So maybe some things are becoming a bit clear now. There has been a lot of stress, a lot of tension, a lot of overthinking, but I do feel a soulmate connection is doesn't have the best memories left now, right? Somebody's thinking the only way to bring back justice now to this connection is to go back to being in self-love, maybe not wait for a reconciliation, release this connection, and try and heal from this heartbreak, even though there's a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things haven't worked out. But in the end, there was this Lover's card, which I will clarify all these cards, of course. So this could be an active choice being made or has to be made, or this could be something more exciting. We'll see. So the dialogue message cards also had taken out, so I'm going to start reading them again. And after that, we'll clarify these. So the first card here that said was, I was there for you when you asked me, and even when you were silently suffering. I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? So this Queen of Cups may have been overgiving at one point. And finally, I think got drained out because the other partner was just not reciprocating. Second card says, I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your cold stone silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died, and I died along with them. Third card says, I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you chose them. Now, I don't know what this person chose. Maybe chose not to get married, or chose their work or business or family, or maybe another partner. But that's been the heartbreak that this Queen of Cups has gone through. Now, I don't know whether this Queen of Cups is you, Pisces, or this could be your cross watcher, so you would know. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you. It's only ever you that makes me orgasm. So maybe the partner was in it only for the good time. And when it came to marriage, or it came to something more concrete, they bailed out, and now of course, they will never find another beautiful Queen of Cups like this one who was overgiving, right? So they do maybe fantasize about them, but not still giving them what they deserve. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, my life. Now that's the amount of love I think that was felt. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. Please make time for me. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. Yes, the partner knows, the partner who's not given back, they know that this is the most amazing person, but they chose differently, and that's what's broken this Queen of Cups heart. So let's start clarifying these cards, Pisces, for you, and let's see what we can expect now. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels can help out in this with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Higher education. This is a spiritual connection, that's for sure. Maybe this was a karmic lesson. Maybe there was a lesson in here for you to learn, Pisces, you or the cross watcher, or maybe both of you. All right, so let's begin. Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups, Spirit. Oops, sorry. Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Please clarify that for us, Spirit. Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups. See, I told you, this is exactly what I told you. This Queen of Cups had been waiting patiently for a very long time, trying to wait, heal, pray, hoping that someday, this person will give that offer. But I don't think that offer ever came. In fact, all it did was drain this Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups who kept giving, lost every drop of that love that they had in that cup. It's like empty. They've emptied themselves out of their love, just giving. There was nobody there to fill it back. And that's just, this Queen of Cups was always alone and thinking and overthinking and stressing, waiting, hoping, wishing for this new beginning which was never offered. Justice, Spirit? What's this Justice? What's this Justice card? Please clarify the Justice card for us, Spirit. Yes, all this Queen of Cups wanted was that somebody should, they wanted justice in their life. They wanted their partner to do the right thing. They wanted this commitment. They wanted this happily ever after. They felt this connection. They felt this soulmate bond. And all they wanted was them to do the right thing. Do the right thing, offer commitment, let's be married, let's be together, I love you and you love me. And then why can't we be together? But this offer never came, I think, Pisces. Three of Cups in reverse. 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 Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit, yes. I think this Queen of Cups is saying, if you can't bring justice, this is what I wanted, right? I wanted justice, I wanted marriage, I wanted commitment, and if you're not going to offer that to me, I'm not in it only for passion for you. I'm going to turn you down. I don't want a reconciliation anymore. Now the memories I have of this connection are horrid because they make me feel sad now. I think it's better that I release this connection once and for all. Six of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Six of Cups in reverse. Yes, I think this Queen of Cups is saying I can't stay in this confusion forever. I would rather check out my other options now, maybe see what else is out there. And what's the point of... this Queen of Cups is saying, I'm not going to live in this confusion forever. I'm going to check out my other options. This Queen of Cups is 100% sure that they deserve this Ten of Pentacles. And if you're not giving it to me, then I might as well check out who else is out there now. Four of Pentacles in reverse. 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 Yes, I think this Queen of Cups is saying, I have not been offered being, this upright would be the spouse card. This would be somebody who's nurtured, who's nurturing, who's normally a wife. And they're saying, if you're not going to offer me anything, no stability, and you're always going to keep, me in the dark about whether we're going to be together or not, then I'm going to release this connection once and for all and maybe move towards new love now. Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, I think this Queen of Cups is now deciding, hey, I don't have to wait around, be at crossroads for all my life, just waiting and waiting. Will they, won't they, will they, won't they? I have the world in my hands now. I'm going to heal myself and I'm going to go out and see what else is out there. The whole world is in the palm of my hand today. Why am I waiting around for somebody who's never going to do right by me? So what's this Five of Cups then, Spirit? Five of Cups. Three of Swords again. Five of Cups, Spirit. Yes, I think this Queen of Cups is right now trying to heal their heart. They're really trying to heal their heart. They're trying to understand the spiritual lesson that has been maybe what they've learned from this experience. Yes, they have a lot of regret and sorrow for whatever has happened, but they've realized this King of Pentacles is not a very stable person to begin with, has never been, right? So I might as well drop fighting for them now and choose something else. What's this, Lovers? What's this, Lovers? Lovers. Lovers clarified by the Lovers. One more. Expect. One more, Spirit. One more. Why is the World card in reverse? Why is the World card in reverse? One more. I think just as you are about to kind of make your decision, I have somebody coming back to fight for you. Yeah, somebody from your past. Somebody from your past may just kind of reappear just when you're kind of getting ready to make that decision, Pisces. Just as you're getting ready to release this burden, it may end up in a kind of a little conflict here as well. This person may want to fight for your attention one more time. They don't want you to close out this chapter altogether. They may come with an offer, but I don't see it as very substantial, I'll be honest. This could be a little offer just to keep you stuck. So be very mindful. Somebody may not want you to, close this chapter on them. I do see a Queen of Cups who is now ready to finish this old chapter. They've learned their lesson. They don't want to have a repeat. But I do see somebody who's may try and stop you, whether it's energetic or whether it's in person. Somebody is not wanting this chapter to be shut down. Yes, you may receive a message as well. You may just receive a message or a phone call or a text. Is that right, Spirit? One more for the Page of Wands, please. Yes, somebody would like to come and kind of heal this relationship once again. But I do see this message and this the Page of Pentacles telling me it's going to be a very small offer. Just to keep you in the loop, maybe not to allow this chapter to shut down, because they can energetically feel you now wanting to make that decision, not fight for this connection. That's the time I think somebody is now wanting to fight for this connection, fight for you and saying, hey, how dare you leave? Right? How dare you? Not how dare, but yeah, they're feeling the loss of that void you start feeling when you feel somebody's energy leaving you. So just be a little mindful, but I do see this offer as small. So don't just kind of go back into that same cycle without testing the waters out. Maybe they've changed, maybe they haven't, I don't know. But once the lesson is learned, sometimes people do change. Right? The same person could come in a different energy. But right now, from what I see, even if they do message or do want to re-begin, they'll want to start small. So, of course, next week we'll see in depth what's going on right now. I think this person is just feeling a little neglected, feeling a little abandoned, or will once you make that decision, and they may want a rebirth or restart of this connection because they feel happy with this Empress in their energy zone. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pisces, take care. Love and light. Namaste.